Stock market made easy. Basic terms and instructions. Are you planning to invest in the stock market, but unsure about where to start? Are you confused by the volume of terms that seem to refer to the same thing? Take a seat and let us help you with this video. Here, we will be elaborating ETFs and REITs. We'll also be covering how to evaluate a company, if they are a good company to invest in or not. Other than that, these will cover other important terms and concepts to help you understand where you're putting your money. Make sure you stay until the end of the video because we will be showing you the actual process of buying stocks on Robinhood. This way, you will be familiar with the Robinhood platform as well. Hi, welcome to RCA Finance Guide, where we'll be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. This channel will definitely help you start your dream to be financially literate. We will upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 3 to 4 times per week. If you have any feedback and questions about this video or want topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated in all of our latest videos. Let's jump right into our types of stocks or equities. Number 1. Exchange-traded funds or ETFs are a basket of stocks that mimic a certain market sector that trade on an exchange. The process of investing the ETFs is that it provides you access to many stocks. There are low expense ratios and they are easy to own, manage, and invest in. The cons of this is that actively managed ETFs have higher fees. There is a lack of downside protection and diversification is limited by focusing on one industry. Number 2. Real estate investment trusts or REITs are companies that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. Pros of investing REITs is that it provides access to historically inaccessible asset classes. It's a liquid investment. There can be stable cash flow through dividends and it is historically sound asset class. Cons of investing REITs is that dividends are taxed as regular income. It's subject to market risk and it can have high management fees. There are 2 other types of stock or equities covered in our video entitled Stock Market for Beginners. Please check out that video as well as it covers other basic definitions that are must-knows. Now that we know what to buy, there is another question to answer. How do we know which companies are best to invest in? We can look at financial ratios. These numbers depend on 3 things. First is balance sheet, which is a snapshot of financials, liabilities plus shareholders' equity. Next is an income statement, which refers to the revenues and expenses during a specific period. Last is the cash flow statement, which refers to cash inflows and outflows from operations, investments, and financing. There are 5 categories under financial ratios. These are valuation, profitability, liquidity, debt, solvency, and efficiency. To check this, simply look at the company's price to earnings ratio. It's the relative value of a company's shares. A healthy PE ratio is 15 or lower. A good site to check PE ratio is findways.com. For illustration, let's check out Microsoft. Just type MSFT on the search bar. Then we'll see the candle chart. Below that, you will be able to see the PE ratio and check for yourself how the company is performing. Its current PE ratio is over 35, which is a sign of good health for this company in terms of investing. Another ratio to consider is the price earnings to growth ratio or PEG ratio. This refers to the relative value of a company's stock value factoring in growth. Formulas is price divided by earnings per share EPS, then further divided by the earning per share growth EPS growth. A healthy health PEG ratio is 1 or lower. Once again, we check findways.com. The PEG ratio of Microsoft is 2.47, which is also pretty healthy. There are more ratios to consider, like price to book (PB ratio). The healthy value is 3 or lower. Next metric is return on assets (ROA). The healthy ratio for this is 5% or higher. There are many other such things as return on equity (ROE), current ratio, quick ratio, debt to equity, and asset turnover. Each of these metrics will have ideal values that you can check when evaluating a company. We have covered a lot of important terms so far, particularly on financial ratios as a means to evaluate a company. Are there any questions or clarifications at this point? Please tell us in the comments section below. Also, please do not forget to like this video so we can keep making information like this. Now that we have covered, a good place to start for buying stocks is Robinhood. This is a commission-free stock trading and investing app. From a beginner standpoint, it's one of the easiest ways to help you understand it. Please take note that the stock market is open from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST. You can only buy and sell during these times. Once in the app, you can look at the specific stock like Microsoft. Once selected, it allows you to see a line graph tracking the movement of the stock price. You can see the price change within a week or a month. When buying a stock, you can simply select buy, then choose to invest in shares amount or dollars amount. You can buy it based on units of stock or based on the amount of money you're willing to spend. Furthermore, when you look at market price, you can see the bid and ask. Bid is the price at which you can buy the stocks. Ask is the price at which you can sell the stocks. To buy, simply type in the amount you want to invest in dollars or the number of units of shares you want to buy. Then click Review Order. The site then explains what and how you're investing. If you're good with that, you can click Buy when you're done. Take note that the standard type of order you get in the market order. This means that once you click buy, whatever the price of the stock is, what you pay for. You can also select limit order, where you can set a certain price that could be lower than the actual price. For example, Microsoft is at $225 now, but you set your limit to $224. This means that your purchase will happen when your limit is reached or when the price drops to $224. Selling is also similar to buying, but you just toggle the sell button on top. Once again, it can also be a market order which sells your stock at current price or limit order where you set a target price for your stocks. So far, we have just walked through the actual process of buying stocks. Are you considering investing in stocks anytime soon? Do you already have an experience with stocks? Please tell us in the comments section below. We have covered so much in this video. We hope that you found this useful and informative. If you are still a bit confused about other terms, please check out other video, Stock Market for Beginners, as it covers other basic terms that are truly helpful. As always, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we drop our next video. Take care.